attending the Inner Circle retreat for the first time? Raise your hand. Yeah, are you excited? Yes! I'm telling you, something beautiful is going to happen with you in next 3 days. And seniors can vouch for it, right? Seniors who has attended? Yeah!
And the real transformation started to happen after joining the PPM journey.
So listen to me very carefully as I won't be repeating again, okay?
My name is Digvijay Dosani. I'm from White Team.
No, go out and start it.
This is your team color. You can go and find the people with the same color bandana. That's it.
Why are you not selected yet?
I'm repeating the same. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, maybe I had to part of the process. Process happened. Something is missing in the process.
I was mundane, I was mediocre. That's how I was before Passionpreneurs.
I had a lot of ideas, but I'm not taking actions.
From this retreat, I came to know myself, and there was a lot of negative beliefs within me. So that already come out.
My biggest breakthrough is my personality. So I was not able to communicate previously despite being in a good position.
The biggest one was holding me.
The biggest breakthrough I had is realizing that the cup I am carrying, the cup of beliefs, is already full.
Look in the mirror right now and tell yourself, I am responsible for where I am. I break you! I break you!
If you are having a passion, then go out and achieve it.
This is the first kind of session that you actually get through the experience, then those experiences being evaluated with your actual feelings and emotions and how those emotions are stopping you, becoming you limiting beliefs. So actually happened is exactly reverse what I thought of.
I felt it's from me, from inside of me I have to change first. If I don't do, my business will not grow.
All these false beliefs, false illusions, and all got shattered during the process.
This is not just for play. This is a process which is teaching you something important about you, your character, your personality, and that you and your character, your personality is reflecting in your life, in business, in all the areas of life.
After coming here, I understood that I can be crazy, I can be myself.
Go Panthers! Ow! 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 Go get this! Who am I?